All right, we're going to go ahead and walk through problem 3-100 for you, showing you how you would divide 16 divided by 0.5. The first thing is if you can eliminate the decimals, it's going to be easier overall. So if we go backwards a step, 16 divided by 0.5 would look like this. And so instead of immediately dividing that, what we can do first is use our giant 1 to make a equivalent fraction. So if we multiply the top and the bottom by 10, that'll give us 160 over 5. And since what I'm doing is actually I'm multiplying this first fraction by 1, I haven't changed anything. And now that I have 160 over 5, I can divide that and I won't have to worry about the decimal. So then I go back to the same form we have down here, and I take 160 divided by 5. I look and see that 5 cannot go into 1, but it can go into 16. It can go into 16 3 times. So then I take 3 times 5. It gives me 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. Bring down my 0. 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 times 5 is 10, and I have 0 remainder. So then my answer is going to be 32.